showcasing absolute convenience and low maintenance living in one of Mosman's most prestigious pockets. Hi, my name's Titan Davis, proudly representing Pello. I can't wait to show you through this home. Let's go take a look. Entering the home, you're immediately met with high ceilings as well as direct sunlight through the north-facing windows. The kitchen is original yet fully equipped and features gas cooking, dishwasher, and a breakfast bar. The dining and living space benefits from the open plan kitchen, creating a great place for entertaining. This flows perfectly to the outdoor balcony, which features beautiful Balmoral and district views. The accommodation is generous across two well-sized bedrooms, both with built-in robes, serviced by a generous bathroom, which includes a bathtub. Something that I love about this apartment that I know will stand out to so many buyers in this price range, apart from benefiting from the beautiful Balmoral and ocean views, has to be the location itself. We're only a stone's throw away from everything Mosman Village has to offer. Other features include single car space, full-size internal laundry, and plenty of storage options. Situated only footsteps away from all modern conveniences, including Spit Junction buses, Mosman Village Precinct, local parks, and only a short walk to the golden sands of Balmoral Beach. Two-bedroom apartments with virtually everything at your doorstep are truly limited. If there's any questions, give me a call, otherwise I'll see you at the next inspection.